The best beaches of Andaman. Do you know that the Radhanagar beach in Andamans was named as the Asia's best beach and world's 7th best beach by Times Magazine in 2007? Once you see the beach, you realize that it truly deserves the honor. Here are more beaches in Andamans that you should definitely visit. Ross and Smith Island Beach. Two wide, beautiful islands of Ross and Smith Islands, joined by a sandbar, is what makes this pair of islands unique. Lakshmanpur Beach, Neil Island. The very widely spread beach has fine, white sand on the one end and walkable beach on the other. Lalaji Bay Beach, Long Island. Located on the other end of the Long Island, Lalaji Bay Beach is a perfect location for a sea swim. Guitar Island Beach. This is one of the favorite places in Andamans. The island does look like a guitar and hence the name Guitar Island. The beach is not wide but it is secluded and the water is never wavy or choppy here. An ideal locale for spending a lazy afternoon. Spread over a vast area, Vandoor Beach, very famous tourist spot of Port Blair, and it deserves to be. If you visit, be prepared for a long walk on the beach. Butler Bay Beach, Hut Bay Island. Butler Bay is possibly the most important tourist location in Little Andaman. It used to be extremely popular prior to the 2004 tsunami. Today it wears a deserted look and zilch tourist infrastructure is available here, which in a way makes this place very special as it is devoid of dirt, garbage, crowds and any pollution whatsoever. Butler Bay is situated about 10 kilometers from Hut Bay and can be easily seen from the road that connects Hut Bay to the 28 Athais Bazaar. The entire place is dotted. Amkunj Beach, Rangat. Amkunj Beach is now one of the busiest beaches of Andamans, which is mostly frequented by locals and the outsiders alike, thanks to the DFO who took the initiative. It is now a perfect beach for an evening get-together. Karmatang Beach, Mayabandar. A calm, quiet Karmatang Beach of Mayabandar has a small park that has a couple of swings for an evening get-together. Sandflies make the stay after sunset a little difficult, so carry a mosquito repellent. Murk Bay Beach, North Passage Island, Long Island. Murk Bay Beach of North Passage Island is remarkably beautiful with its white sand. Get set for an adventure. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.